Okay, boys and girls, for the first part, we're gonna make it so hopefully we don't get too wet or wet at all. So what you're going to need is a roll of Mentos. I'm using an index card. You can use a piece of paper. I'm gonna wrap the index card around my Mentos. Tape it in a couple places. If it's a little bigger than the Mentos, that's fine. You want them to be able to slide. So I make it a little bit bigger. Put tape one end, and then I'm gonna get another piece and tape the other end. Remember, just a little bigger than the Mentos tube. I'm gonna take the Mentos out, and I'm gonna take a toothpick, and I'm going to poke it through. Don't put your finger in the middle. You don't wanna poke your finger. Poke it through the other side. Oops, that's the tape side. Well, we'll see if it works. There we go. That way, oops. When you put a Mento in, get a Mento out, nice and minty. You're gonna put a Mento in, and then when I pull the toothpick out, it's gonna fall into the bottle of soda. And that will cause a chemical reaction, letting out the carbon dioxide in the soda. And it will cause an eruption as well. What's an eruption? You're gonna see, okay? I have 5 of these. So how many do you think I have? 5 bottles. We'll see. Color matters, if sugar content matters, or if size matters. My soda bottles have been sitting outside. It's better to have them warm, about 85 degrees, so I put them out in the sun. So let's go out and see what happens. Okay, boys and girls, I have my soda ready. I have Diet Coke, 7-Up, Grape, Diet Sunkist, and Ruby Red Squirt. Which one do you think is gonna go higher and farther? I'm gonna do them one at a time. I'm putting 5 Mentos in each one. I have my science notebook out here to write down all the information. So let's get started. My son will videotape it while I put it in. I'm gonna put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna pull the toothpick and let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, Diet Orange is next. You think Diet's gonna go higher or lower? The Mentos already in? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay, Grape, which has sugar in it, is gonna go next. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 7-Up, which is clear but has sugar. I'm gonna put the 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull out the toothpick and go. Whoa! Woohoo! Okay, this is Diet Coke. The bottle's a little smaller. Do you think it's gonna be a bigger explosion or a smaller? Let's count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, boys and girls, so here we have in order the volume of the liquid which was expelled. This had the least amount of liquid taken out, and this had the most. Why do you think that is? Does this one have more sugar? This one has the least amount. Although the 7-Up went higher than the orange soda, and the orange soda was sugar-free. Maybe we'll look at the ingredients when we go back inside. Okay, boys and girls, that was hot, but fun. Making things gush out of bottles is really fun. I kept some data in my science journal. What I figured out is the ones with no sugar went higher. I wonder why that is. It's also a good idea to do ones with no sugar if you're doing it outside so you can wash it away easily. The ones with sugar are gonna leave a sticky mess. Now, I did measure the sugars of the ones that were here, and I saw that Grape and the Red Squirt had the most sugar, 45 grams a serving, where the 7-Up only had 38 grams, and that came in number 2 as the highest explosion. I don't know, try it at home, let me see your results. Maybe something with no sugar, seltzer water, something like that. Let me see what you can do. Have a great time. Do some fun science. I miss you, I love you, bye-bye.